Good morning again. What it is, Mark Turner, bit for bit, part 2. We coming back to you talking about CoinGecko, just one of the many exchanges that you can find. Well, actually not exchange, just a database exchange where we can find data on cryptocurrencies we want to know about, we want to invest in, and we want to move forward in. But before they start, let's go ahead and hit that futuristic intro. So today, let's go over the quick market cap. Today, we are at a market cap of $2.8 trillion with a volume of $160 billion moving through the cryptocurrency market. Right now, we got Bitcoin at a 40.9% dominance. Right behind that is Ethereum at 18.7%. So top 10 coins, we already talked about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin, which shouldn't even be up in there, is at 589. We got Solana at 240 this morning. Tether, don't worry about it. Cardano is slipping down about 0.6% at 199. XRP is at 118, down about 0.9% on the 1 hour and down 1.9% on the 24 and up 11.7 on the 7 day. We got Polkadot coming in at number 8 at 5260, and also we have the Dogecoin coming in at number 9 at 0.265015. And if you don't know what this is, this coin right here, you better find out what it is. Matter of fact, here we go today. We're going to use the coin of USD Coin as an example today for how we will learn how, in part 2, to study crypto and to understand and get the research done. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to get started with USDC Coin. Now, USDC Coin is actually a stable coin, so we're still going to do some research. Yesterday, what we did, we covered how to read the numbers, how to go through the process of understanding what this coin does. That coin will actually use XRP as an example yesterday. So today, what we're going to do, we're going to go more into depth on how to find out more information. So one of the best ways to do it is go to the direct website. So over on the right side on the info, we have the website. We're not going to talk about the MetaMask and all that good stuff today, but I will explain to you more about this particular coin. So what we want to do, we want to go through and look at the website first. Let's go ahead and take a look at the website. So Circle is the actual company that has produced this coin. And what this coin is what we call a stable coin. What does that mean? A stable coin is a coin that does not go below 99 cents and doesn't go above 101. So that means that these coins are what you will be transferring your money into or your cryptos into when you want to transfer it into money. And then if you have a exchange or a service such as Bitrue, sponsored information links in below in the description. And if you have something like I Trust Capital, I don't have an account just yet with them, but I will have an account. We got a problem over here because I'm in somewhere in Alabama. But I'm actually setting my account up right now. We open up 2 accounts with I Trust Capital because I Trust Capital is the #1 IRA platform in America. Self-trade cryptocurrency and physical gold in your retirement account. Also, what you want to make sure you do is have something like crypto.com. Then we talked about it yesterday. And I will go over some new stuff also when it comes to where you can store your crypto offline. So let's get back into the USDC coin.
Recording in progress.
All right, the USDC coin is 1.3 trillion transfer on chain total. So let's talk about it. Why use a digital dollar stablecoin? Digital money for the digital age. The USDC coin, let me zoom in for y'all can see this. Here we go, right there. The USDC coin represents a major breakthrough in how we use money. Digital dollars work like other digital content. They move at the speed of the internet, can be exchanged in the same way we share content and are cheaper and more secure than existing payments. Trust, transparency, and compliance. USDC is fully backed by cash and equivalent in short duration US Treasuries, so that it is always redeemable one for one US dollars. Each month we publish attestation. What is this crap? Attestation. I'm gonna say the attestation reports by Grant Thornton regarding the reserve balance back in USDC. So let's go ahead and let's go a little bit deeper. So the USDC Institutional Trading Program, a new program, has been designed to meet the needs of high volume trading firms, crypto exchanges, and market makers. So the largest stablecoin ecosystem. It said the largest stablecoin ecosystem. 5:30. Now I know it's 5:30. Let's get it. As an open standard and public smart contract, USDC has rapidly grown the largest stablecoin industry ecosystem in the world. Hundreds of companies, products, and services support the USDC standard, including digital wallets, exchanges, DeFi, protocol, savings, lending, and payment services. USDC is created value for the entire blockchain ecosystem. I want you to understand this word right here. I'm going to talk about digital wallets. We already talked about exchange. We're going to get back into digital wallets and DeFi protocols. We'll talk about all that stuff soon. Let's go back and look at a couple of things right here. And here's a short little video. I'm hoping this short video. Let's take a look at this video and see what they're talking about. Let's go for it.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to The Money Movement, a show where we explore the issues and ideas driving this brave new world of digital currency and blockchains. Today,
now, before we go any further into this, I'm going to let you know that video is about an hour long. So if you get a chance, this is what you have to do for your research. You want to definitely go through the website. You want to watch the videos. You want to understand how this particular crypto will function, how it works. If you go into the products and we go to the bank solutions, let's take a look at the banks for solutions. Should break it down to your digital bridge. Now, a lot of people ask me this question. The question that they do ask me is this: how do I take my crypto and turn it into physical money?
Recording in progress.
Solutions for your banks, or the solution for banks, your bridge to dollar digital currency, right there. You can contact sales, do all this good stuff. But what is it talking about? Let's just read through a little bit. And this is what I'm saying to you. This is the research we have to do going through CoinGecko. We can do the research on several different coins. So if I go in here like I showed you yesterday, if I'm going to put $1 for $1 right now, the equivalent of that dollar would be about 0.996892 when it comes to the USDC coin. Okay, so we got that right there. It's going to show you all these other tools. As you start to learn, let's click on stablecoins for instance. I'm going to show you a list of stablecoins that we do have available to us. Now here are your stablecoins. Now I want you to understand something. There's more than just USDC coin. The ones that they have currently right now are US Tether, which is this one right here. Oh, it disappeared. US Tether. You have the USDC coin. You have the Binance USD coin. You have DAI, Terra USD. Now this one is unique because I've seen the prices actually range between 99 cents to $1.05. You have Magic Internet Money. I don't know what that is. You have True USD, very familiar. Pax Dollar, Liquidity USD, Frax, Fay USD. These are a lot of different stable coins that we can utilize, and each country has their own version of a stable coin, such as the Euro. You have the Euro Tether. You have the USDK. You have where's the other ones at? I know you have one for Australia, the Australian dollar. You have basically every country should have their own, right? Jarvis synthetic British pound, the Jarvis synthetic Swiss franc. So these things are coming. This is the future. Like I said, let's get back on subject. We're talking about the actual studying of each one of these different types of cryptos.
Recording in progress.
Anyway, back to what we were talking about. There's other things you can pay attention to. You want to look at the USD prices and market status. The USDC price is around right now 0.996892. The market cap is around $33 billion right now. Thousands, millions, billions. The market cap dominance is 1.19%. Trading volume is around $3 billion. Volume, the market cap is at 0.0932. The highs and lows, it stays pretty much stable, okay? It's ranked number 10, but understand this. It is a stable coin. It's a stable coin. That's all it is, okay? Now, you can look at the charts. We can look at the social information when it comes down to this right here. It shows you where you can find more data on this particular coin. You can find stuff on Reddit, average account active. Okay, we got Twitter followers and we got Telegram. Also, let's look at the developers. The developers is one of the biggest things you want to pay attention to. You want to look at who develops this particular coin, which they don't have that information right there. But it says right here, it says not important information. Widgets. Let's see what this is right here. So basically, these widgets, I think, what you can use. Actually, the widgets you can use on websites. So if you're a programmer, if you understand HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all that stuff, you should know how this works. JSON, that kind of good stuff. And the large transactions is down, and network growth is at 1.43%. Let's see what kind of news we have. And this is the research. This is just the research that we're doing. That's all it is. We're trying to find out more information. Let's go and look at some positive news when it comes to this particular coin. Now, the news in general may not cover the USDC coin, but here's a good one right here. It says Stellar Partners tap USDC for remittance between Europe and Africa. Let's go into this article real fast. So right here on Cointelegraph, another resource, it says Stellar Partners tap USDC for remittance between Europe and Africa. All right, let's see what we're talking about here. The Stellar Development Foundation, SDF, has announced that it will facilitate a new remittance channel between Europe and Africa using the USDC coin, stablecoin to be exact. On Monday, the SDF announced that the global payments technology company Flutterwave will use the USDC coin, no, we're going to subscribe later. The USDC Coin stablecoin on the Stellar network to simplify remittances between Africa and Europe. Flutterwave will work alongside Stellar's principal European Union payments partner, Paris-based money transfer operator Tempo Payments. So, do your research. Basically, you want to do your research. Now, this is not one of the most exciting coins, but I want to definitely say this right here. Once you start to understand how this stuff works, and we're going to go more in depth in this training, because I definitely don't see a lot of people talking about what you're looking for when it comes to these type of websites, and when you're trying to find out what type of coins there are, because most people are hung up on this Bitcoin. They think Bitcoin is the only coin out there. Listen, there's a lot of coins right here. Check it out. It tells you right here. There's over 10,388 coins. And the list goes like this. I mean, you can look through this list and see there's a lot of coins, but you got to know how to find the coins, what interests you. Don't just base your thought process off of how something looks. What you want to do is you want to really do your research. So what we're going to end up doing next, we're going to go more into the different categories when it comes to you doing this research, understand what you're putting your hand on. I'm going to tell you one that I'm looking at right now. So one of the definite categories I'm looking at right now is NFTs. I'm looking at gaming also. So the gaming on here. Let's go into DeFi. See, decentralized finance, this is going to be a good one for a lot of people to take a look at in the near future. Also, the NFT space, if you don't know what NFTs are, non-fungible tokens, just like digital artwork, like digital gaming, that kind of stuff. And they, like I said, they have categories when it comes to gaming as well. And if you want to pay attention, you want to look and see what the dominance is and what's really happening when it comes to DeFi and decentralized exchanges, hey, just do your research. Do your research, okay? Listen. This is Mark Turner with Bit for Bit. We got more coming. I'm hoping that you're enjoying the series. If you do like what you are seeing, please like, subscribe, share, pass this information on. Let me know what we can do better for you. I want to definitely help y'all win when it comes to this crypto game. I'm going to explain to you, we are still in the infancy phase of this, but I will be honest with you, a lot of people will miss this opportunity because they just don't do the research. Look, y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay turned up. We over there Turned Up Fitness also. And we are Bit for Bit, and we are out. Yeah.